Hello guys, in this video I will show you my teachers and students aid application. So this application allows you and the teachers and students to understand online education better. So let's start. Let's first register for this by entering my name. My name is Shreyas and I'm a student. Okay, submit. Okay. So hello dear Shreyas, my name. Okay. You see here are a number of options like my notes, word helper, maths calculator, give feedback and suggestions. First I will try my notes. Okay, so you see it's like you can note anything that you feel to be important, like I note let's study. Okay, so now if you want to save this, you can click on this save button and then you have to type the name of the file, like say I would write study notes and I would save and I will get a message, your note was saved successfully. Okay guys, so now if I want to open a new note, then I will click the new button and tada, I would click here and I would write let's study maths. Now if I save this by maths and then save. Okay, and now if I want to open that study notes again, then I would simply go here and study notes. Let's study. See, it was so easy. And you can also select all this, cut it, paste it, and you can also copy it and then paste it. Yeah, so simple, right? Okay, so now if you want to go back, you can click on exit and you would go back. Now here is word helper. So when I click on this word helper, you can see here it is a word aid. So here you can get the meanings, synonyms and antonyms of words that are important and any words that you seek for. Like I say, what is the meaning of happy? So let's see. Okay, so you see it's an adjective and its synonyms, its antonyms, all are here, right? And if I write hinge, then it shows its meaning, the synonym and antonym. So it's also a cool feature, right? Now I can go back with this button. Okay, now I have a maths calculator here which allows me to calculate. Okay, so I would do some calculations like 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so this is equal to 4, and if I want to do something complex like 4 to the power of 8 and then into 96 under root, then also it would give me the result that is perfectly fine. And also I can type here, but if I type letters and then click on equals to, then it would show me the error like the following expression is not valid. Okay, now from here also I can type the equations and can solve them. See, now if I want to go back, I can click on the go back button and I can go back. Yeah, so this was how it works. And if you want to give feedback or if you want to give any suggestions to make this better and improve it, then you can click on this button which should redirect you to one form which you can fill to give your feedback and also give your suggestions. So this was all about Students Aid. Thank you.